Welcome friends. Up to our previous tutorial, we have seen how to insert data, retrieve data, and update data. But sometimes it is important to delete data. In this tutorial, we will learn how to delete rows from our table. Once again, there is one simple SQL statement, delete from. So after delete from, we have to type the name of the table. In this case, it is users. So it says delete from users. Now again, we will use our where clause. And before we go ahead any further, we will just retrieve all the information and make sure that the changes we are doing occurs. So this is our users table. Let's say we want to delete where username is equal to new user. And you know how to do that. Delete from users where username is equal to new user. And it is as simple as it seems. Let's just execute it. Go back to our table and refresh it. As you can see, the second entry where the username was new user has been deleted, and this is how we can delete rows from our table. Once again, delete from table name and then our where clause. So this is how we can delete rows from our table. Thank you.